Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy, and I am Rosalind Roxy Jenkins. So I got my butter is already ready. So I used some garlic butter, a tablespoon of that. I got me some shrimp and corn chowder, and I got me a little bit of grilled chili lime seasoning, and that's my 1 pound of shrimp. So I'm gonna take my soup. No, I'm not gonna do my soup first. I'm gonna do my shrimp first. So this is for my non-cooks, because I always have to make a recipe for my non-cooks, because I can't leave y'all out. I love y'all. I want y'all to keep trying. Most of y'all married already. Y'all think I didn't know, but most of y'all are married already. So what we gonna do is we gonna cook our shrimp until they done, and then we're gonna add our soup, right? So let's get into that. Okay, so I'm back. We are doing 1 pound of shrimp, garlic butter, chili lime sauce with shrimp and corn chowder. I already did my 1 pound of shrimp. They are basically done. So we're gonna take our soup and add that. See, it came out like a gel, just like that. This is for my non-cooks. This is a 15-minute meal, but you gotta start your grits early, okay? My plate is ready for the amazing breakfast or dinner, whatever you want to do. But your husband will love this, even your kids if they eat seafood. Okay, we ready to plate it up. This is our grits with goat cheese. This is our shrimp with, it's a Sam's Club shrimp and corn chowder, and then we added a pound of shrimp and some garlic butter. So we gonna plate this up real quick. See how good it look? It has potatoes and corn, and it's seasoned very well. Oh yeah. Remember guys, this recipe is for my non-cooks, and for some of you fancy ones, you can try this at home. So you only need 1 container of shrimp corn chowder from Sam's Club, chili lime seasoning, just a pinch, garlic butter, make your own grits to your liking. I added goat cheese to mine, 1 simple egg, a few strawberries, and what's not to love about this? Yum. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy shrimp and grits. Ciao.